This video will demonstrate how to run a MapReduce job on a Hadoop server cluster. You must have a new or cloned cluster running and at the waiting status. Click here to copy the IP address. Open and log in to WinSCP. Drag and drop the data file to the Hadoop directory. Open and log in to PuTTY. Use the ls command to confirm the file was transferred to EC2. The file has been transferred to the Hadoop directory. Use -mkdir to create a new directory called MR. The MR directory was created. Use -copy from local to copy the file to the MR directory on the cluster. The data file was copied to the MR directory on the cluster. Use the nano command to open a file shell to hold the Python mapper code. Open the text file that contains the Python mapper code. Select all of the Python code and copy it to your clipboard. Right-click to paste the Python mapper code into the nano text editor. Use Ctrl-X, then Y, then Enter to save the Python mapper file to the cluster. Repeat the same procedure to save the Python reducer file to the cluster. The Hadoop cluster now contains the data file and both Python files. Use chmod to change both Python files into executable files. The mapper and reducer Python files now appear in green font. Use the jar command to run the MapReduce job on the Hadoop cluster. When the MapReduce job completes, use -cat to display the job output. The output from the MapReduce job is displayed. You have run a MapReduce job on a Hadoop cluster and displayed the job output.